you looking to keep your Twitter account private? Well, keeping your account private will only make your posts visible to selected people. Like for example, it may be only your followers or even the verified accounts. Well, keeping your account private will give you an upper hand in maintaining your privacy. Like you won't, many times you don't want to make all your tweets public to everyone because it's none of their business, right? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, it's about how we can make our Twitter account private. It's pretty simple to do. Just follow these steps. Open your X app or Twitter app. Now at the top, click on your profile avatar. Now go to settings and support. From there, settings and privacy, and go to privacy and safety right here. Alright, click on it. Now audience and tagging, that's what you want to select. Protect your posts, protect the videos. If you turn this to on, what happens is only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post, and some random person in the Twitter who does not follow you won't see your tweets again. Same for protected videos. If you protect your videos, cannot be downloaded by other people. Now you know how to keep your Twitter account private. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up. And for future video updates similar to this one, do subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Until next time, bye bye.